For this, you will need 6 eggs. You can use as many eggs as you want. You also need your spring onion, your green pepper, your tomato, and your onion. You can also use any kind of vegetables that you prefer. It could be just stew like onion and tomato, or it could be more. Now let's look at the tips and tricks.
Look for me. Damn, I want the line. Always in the north side.
The first trick is we are going to break our eggs into a small bowl before transferring it into the bigger bowl. Now this method is done because we do not want to mix in an egg that is spoiled mistakenly into the whole batch. I learned this the hard way. Make sure that you beat your eggs in a smaller container before transferring them into the bigger container that has the batch of eggs that you are using. Now you're going to beat your eggs. You are going to use either a fork or a whisk, whichever one you prefer. Make sure you beat it and mix in the yolk and the white. Take your time through this process. Now we're going to add in our vegetables. Add in your onions, your spring onions, your green pepper, your tomatoes. Now we're adding in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of powdered pepper. The next tips and tricks are coming soon. Now we are about to get our perfect omelette. First, pour in your oil. Make sure you spread it through the entire pan. Make sure your pan is hot. What I do is I make sure that the oil is very hot before I pour in my omelette, because if it's not hot enough, you'll find that your omelette gets stuck to the pan. But immediately I pour it in, I also make sure to reduce the temperature. This is done because you want your egg to fully cook without it burning. So you can reduce your temperature at the end, and you can pour the oil on the sides just to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Give it some time to cook. Take your time when you are trying to flip your egg. Make sure the sides are all free. You can even move it in the pan to check before you flip it or you turn it over. Remember, I started with high heat and now I'm at low heat. I'm using very low heat now. Now that it's ready, you can flip it whichever way you want. Just put it on a plate. Now I'm placing my bread on it, setting it up. You can decide to toast your bread in a frying pan or in a toaster machine, or if you want it just like mine, you can just cut it up and put it on your plate. This is our omelette. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you so much for the love and support. Bye.